For this video, I'll be sharing with you the recipe I learned from my lola na laging patok sa family ko.
And now, the surprise ingredient.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to this channel, Saved by the Bell, wherein I do my best to share useful tips before you do it or you buy anything. Kaya kung bet mo yun, please subscribe for more videos like this. For this video, I'll be sharing with you the recipe I learned from my lola na laging patok sa family ko. Mga bisita, pati rin mga bata na hindi mahilig sa gulay. Gustong-gusto din nila itong recipe nito. This is actually a staple Filipino dish pero with a twist. It's called Pork Nilaga Espesyal. Bakit espesyal? Watch till the end of the video for you to find out. So, here are the ingredients.
1 slab of pork baby back ribs cut into ribs of 2. Chopped onions. 1 tablespoon of pepper, either fine or ground, and a tablespoon of salt. Chili flakes, optional. Patis to taste. And 4 cups of pork broth. Plus pechay and Chinese cabbage. Ano yung surprise ingredient? Coming up! Boil pork ribs with salt and pepper for 30 minutes on medium heat para lumambot yung pork. Then, ilagay na natin yung onions. Pour in the 4 cups of pork broth. It's up to you kung gusto niyo pang dagdagan ng water. And now, the surprise ingredient. Ta-da! 1/4 kalabasa or squash. I-boil lang ang peeled squash, then mash or squash the squash. Now, slowly put in the mashed squash. Splash warning! Naku, ang sarap nito. Sigurado kahit mga bata magugustuhan. Tapos, ang sabaw natin, kakaiba pa yung kulay. Takpan. Wait for the soup to boil a bit before adding the next ingredients. Ayan, kumukulo na, lagay na natin yung patis. So, yung patis, depende sa inyo kung gaano karami. Yan. Ang ganda na ng kulay. Yan. And then, we put the vegetables. Yan. Depende na sa inyo kung ano mga vegetables yung gusto nyo ilagay. Kung gusto nyo rin maglagay ng potatoes, pwede din naman. Yan. Hayaan natin lumambot ng konti ang mga vegetables. And it's done! Ganun lang kasimple, di ba?
So, ayun na nga, yung twist na sinasabi ko kanina. Yun yung mashed kalabasa, mashed squash. So, sobrang sarap niya. Kahit mga bata, magugustuhan kasi hindi na siya mukhang gulay, pero nakukuha pa rin nila yung nutrients ng gulay. O, diba, amazeBELs?
Oh, yum!
So, siguradong buong pamilya magugustuhan din ito. Kaya, kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na to, please like or comment down below and subscribe para sa lahat ng videos na gagawin ko in the future. So again, thank you for watching. Bye-bye! More blessings!